sometimes a small task managed properly can, over time, equate to a measurable impact on the bottom line profit column. Understanding the most efficient method of spraying a bumper cover is this discussion's goal. Managing material consumption and productivity is our objective. Controlling the material consumption and the associated cost for thousands of bumpers being sprayed daily begins with you. The number of paint labor hours is an indicator of how much paint material will be used on any given panel. Bumper covers, by the nature of their shape, often consume more material than necessary, which can have a negative impact on the material bill. So let's understand how to manage that. First, you always want to make sure to wear the proper safety equipment. And remember to use the proper spray equipment for the job, and make sure to use high-flow fittings. Adjust the air pressure at the wall and double-check that the pressure is within the recommended PSI. It's important to have a mental picture of how to apply the paint efficiently before ever pulling the trigger. Plan on longer gun strokes to minimize unnecessary overlap areas, which results in a waste of material. Correct gun angle and trigger control ensures the paint goes onto the bumper and not in the air. In an effort to apply material efficiently, lower the air pressure a few pounds to 22 psi on the first 6 to 8 inch coat. Now this minimizes wasted material in overspray. Next, spray the edges in a parallel fashion using the trigger to allow less material delivered while more material is applied to those specific areas. With the pressure reduced, make sure to apply paint to turn signals of fog light holes as well as any unique contour areas. Lastly, return the PSI to 25, the maximum recommended air pressure, and apply the final coat at 10 to 12 inches to set the flake and ensure color match. Follow the spray plan by using as few overlap areas as possible while ensuring hiding is achieved. Remember, the fewer overlap areas, lowering the PSI on the first coat, vertical angles and gun trigger control on the edges and contour areas will save material. Did you notice that while applying the clear coat, that longer gun strokes were being used? Well, this minimizes the areas of overlap. In fact, the overlap areas were staggered, ensuring that there weren't excessive amounts of clear in any one portion of the bumper. Now, after completing this task, there should be very little material left, which maximizes our material usage. Remember, not all bumper covers are the same, and some do consume more product than others. I hope this clip helps you to manage your materials consumption. Remember these points on every job. Success begins with you.